Hi, today I will show you how to activate unlock tool. If you don't have account, please click register and like this. Click register and make your account. After the make your account, click the account. You have like this screen. Click the edit and copy your username. Go to the GSMDataHUB.com and create an account and add funds. After the add funds, click place an order. You can choose tool activation and credits. Click this. After, you can search unlock tool. You can choose how much months do you want to activate. I click unlock tool 6-month activation now. You can also renew like this and new activation also supported like this. Your username. Copy and paste. And you can get your email address in this section, account and edit. Copy your email address and paste it and place an order. Click server order history. Wait 10 minutes. After this small time, you can show your orders has been success. Click your order details. Click the order details. Only 8 minutes. Only 8 minutes for activation. Okay. Now you can click to login. Only 8 minutes. Only 8 minutes. Okay. So timeout. Click the unlock tool and open it. After the open unlock tool, add your username and password and click login. And click agree. Your account activation successful and you can use unlock tool also like this. Also you can find your expire date like this. Click log into your unlock tool account and click account and click the license. This is your registration date. This is your expire date. Thank you. I'm from GSMDataHUB.com from Japan. Thank you.